So last week I made some buckwheat chocolate chip cookies, changing up the recipe a little bit. I have a lot of ripe bananas, so instead of using the sugar, I'm gonna try to use 2 whole ripe bananas mashed up to see if that will work. So here's 2 whole mashed bananas, and we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of buckwheat flour, a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. The recipe called for 1/3, but I'm gonna drop it down a little bit. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I have half a cup of dark chocolate chips. And flour. Just flatten down a little bit. So this made about 16 cookies. Nice and firm. Honest taste test on the experimental recipe.
I think it's better without the sugar. The texture's fantastic. It's like super soft. It melts in your mouth.
Does it taste like banana?
Yeah, tastes like banana, but also some people might not like the taste of buckwheat. I don't taste as much buckwheat.
Okay.
I taste more of the sweetness of the banana, the semi-sweet dark chocolate chip. Yep. Slight hint of buckwheat. I think it's fantastic. So cool.
Thank you.
And I don't feel guilty eating it. That's the biggest thing.